Meaning of extractive.
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 Extractive. Extractive refers to a process or approach of selectively removing something from a larger whole. For example, in natural resource extraction, companies might extract coal, oil, or minerals from the earth. In text analysis, extractive methods involve selecting and copying specific phrases or sentences from a document, often to create a summary or highlight key points. The result of an extractive process is typically a subset of the original data, containing only the selected components. This can be useful for isolating important information or simplifying complex datasets.